Jai Gurudev and good morning everyone. Students, today in our economic class, we are studying the chapter Rural Development. Rural development, student, that rural development means it is the development of the rural areas. That is, it is an action plan for the economic and the social growth of the country. You all know, student, that India's majority of the people lives in the rural areas, and the people, those who are living in rural areas, are not able to access the basic necessities of life. Student, they are very poor, so they are not able to fulfill their basic necessities, because the majority of the people are dependent on agriculture sector that time, and the productivity and income from the agriculture sector is very low, so that they are not able to fulfill their basic necessities of life. So in our country, the mainly the majority of the people living in rural areas, and if the rural areas of the country are backward, the people are poor, so how we can think about the economic and the social development of the country? So rural development is only possible when we are when we are making an action plan for the rural areas, so that there in those areas also the economic and social development takes place. In our country, since after independence, the government is also trying for the development of the those backward areas and the rural people also, like in the planning period and in the 5 year plans also, we are giving more focus on the development of those areas, and even especially the agriculture sector, because the rural people belongs to agriculture sector only. They are dependent on their occupation for the agriculture sector. That means maximum part 70% of the people of our country at that time was dependent on agriculture sector, and the productivity is very low. Even they are not having their own land. Basically the people are doing farming on the others land. They are not having their own land, and those who are having their land, they are very less, very means the land is very small, so that it doesn't fulfill their basic necessities. So students, if we are thinking of the economic and the social development of the country, we need to first, we need to develop the rural areas, rural people of the country, because India is a poor country. India is a country where maximum people, the majority of the people living in rural areas only. And if we want the real progress of the country, it will be possible only when we develop the rural areas. So the progress of India depends on the development of the rural areas and the rural people. Agriculture is the basic occupation of the people living in our country. So we have to first develop the agriculture sector. And even in the first 5 year plan, we are giving first importance to the development of agriculture sector only. So we have to do such things so that productivity in agriculture sector should be increased. You all know that the GDP in our country, the GDP, the contribution of GDP from the agriculture sector is very low. Even the people are not thinking of the going for industrial sector and other tertiary sectors. They remain busy in doing work in agriculture sector only, but their income from agriculture sector is very low, that it doesn't increase the GDP of the country. And our government is continuously trying to develop for the development of the country, for development of rural areas. And even now the rural development is challenge for us. Our rural development faces the challenges like the challenges of rural credit, rural marketing, and diversification. And also government is giving importance to for the development of rural areas, that organic farming also they have introduced, so that the development of agriculture sector will take place. So if we want to develop the rural areas of the country, first we have to develop the agriculture sector and the development of rural people, so that if their standard of living increase, if their income increases, so then automatically our rural development will be possible. So we are going to the process of rural development. Now what is rural development? Rural development, rural development refers to continuous and comprehensive socio-economic process attempting to improve all aspects of rural life. रूरल डेवलपमेंट क्या है? एक कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस है. इट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ इकोनॉमिक सोशल डेवलपमेंट, जो कि फोकस करता है ऑल द एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ रूरल लाइफ. मीन्स फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फोकसेस ऑन द एवरी एंड aspects of rural life, and then we have to improve the different areas of our rural people, rural life, so that only rural development will takes place. Now the process of rural development, the process of rural development has we have to go through for the different process. Means we have to focuses on different things. Like first we have to give the development of human resource. If we are thinking of the development of rural areas, so first we have to give in priority for the human development of human resource only. Human development will be possible only when we are providing human different sources like education and health to the human resource. That if we are doing expenditure on education, if we are providing education to the rural people and we are providing good basic health facilities, so that the rural people will be healthy, and if they are educated, so automatically the development, human development will takes place. And if the people are educated, if the people are healthy, so they will work for the development of the country, and they will also develop work for the rural development of the country. Next is the development of infrastructure. Not only we have to focus on the rural development, that is on development of human resource, but also we have to provide them enough infrastructure also. That is, we have to provide irrigation facilities to the rural areas, electricity to the rural areas, and rural marketing also. So if we develop the infrastructure of the rural areas, so then also we are thinking of the rural development. Rural development तभी possible होगा जब हम वहाँ पर infrastructure provide करेंगे. We have to build good roads, we have to provide them electricity, we have to provide them irrigation facilities, so that they will not depend on monsoon for agriculture. If they are having proper irrigation facilities, so the productivity also increases. Then land reforms. We have to government has also to give focuses on land reforms. Then only the rural development will be possible. Land reforms, you know, that we have to provide lands to the tillers. Those who are the tiller of the soil, they should be become the owner of the land. That is, government has to distribute the lands properly. That in the under land reforms, previously that farmers in India are have exploited by the that zamindars at the time of colonial period. But after that, government has made land reform, that abolition of intermediaries was removed, that zamindari system was also removed, and then government is focusing on land reforms, like green revolution was introduced, and HYV seeds, that is, the farmer should be educated to use the new technology, use HYV seeds, use fertilizers, use pesticides, and for that government is giving them subsidies also. Government is providing them these things and the subsidized rates also. So when we are doing the land reforms is necessary for the development of rural areas. Then elimination of poverty. Yes, if we want to do the rural development, so first we have to remove poverty from the country, because 30% of the poor people still lives in our country. From the world's population, 30% of total population, the poor people of out of that will remain live in India, and that too in the rural areas of the country. So if we have to think of the rural development, तो हमें सबसे पहले poverty को हटाना पड़ेगा. For that we have to introduce different poverty alleviation programs. We have to think of the removing poverty from the country by providing them education to the people, by different poverty alleviation programs, employment generation schemes, so that if the poverty is removed, then the rural development will also possible. Then development of the productive resources. Yes, we have to develop the productive resources also in our country, that we shall provide them different resources, so that the development of the rural areas will be possible. If it will be, we are giving proper productive resources to the country, like we have to focus on infrastructure development, we have to focus on providing human development and other basic facilities, so that automatically the rural development of the countries will be possible. So students, you can understand what is rural development. Rural development is the development of the rural areas when we are providing for the basic necessities of the life to the rural people, and especially we are focusing on the social and economic development of the poor people. And this will be possible only when we go through the following process. That first we develop the human resource, हमें इनको एजुकेशन और हेल्थ प्रोवाइड करना है. देन वी हैव टू इंक्रीज इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इन द रूरल एरियाज. देन लैंड रिफॉर्म्स शुड बी मेड, and then poverty alleviation programs should be started, and then after that the productive resources should be developed in the country, so that the productivity in agriculture sector will be increased, and we are now become self sufficient only when the development of these productive resources, and then the rural development will be possible.